Welcome, and today we're replacing the exhaust pipe on this 2002 Lexus RX300. This also should be relevant to Toyota Highlander as they share the same exhaust. This is the pipe that we're replacing. It's called exhaust pipe, and I'm going to show on the screen how it looks like and also the OEM part number and where it is on the exhaust system. This is the part of the exhaust that goes from the front three cylinders down and under the engine and goes to join the other pipe from the other three cylinders. So this is the new pipe. I also painted it. And this one has a bracket here, but I didn't see any place to mount it there. So I don't have a place to mount it. This thing can be cut off, I'm guessing, for my model. Or maybe something changed, somebody changed before me the exhaust system. But it's really easy with the gaskets actually, because this gasket is smaller, so it wouldn't go at the back. It goes only in the front. But this one goes perfectly here in the back. This is an old exhaust, and you see it failed right in here where this flexible joint is. It started leaking and it's falling apart. So, and also you can see how I was cutting it off right here. So this is the front, I believe. I was kind of getting with the cutting wheel like this to cut off this one. But this, so I tried to go from the side, but there was too much I needed to cut here to get to the bolt. But on this side, I was able just to cut into the exhaust pipe a little bit and cut off this bolt. I believe it goes like this. Yeah, on the car it goes like this. So it go in the front here and then at the back there. So let's have a look at the back. Yeah, this is much more rusty here. So I had to clean out the other part a little better. But you see this one, I struggled more. I had to cut like almost half of the pipe to get to the bolts. I barely got to this one, and I kind of was able to get to this one. So there was a lot of work and a lot of sparks, but I didn't burn anything down. Everything seems to be still okay. Just be very careful if you're using the cutting wheel. Don't cut no piping, no wires. Don't cut off the U-joints, because the U-joint is really close to there. And I tried to cut with the cutting wheel on this side, on the side of the pipe that I'm replacing. Okay, so I couldn't get this rusty bolt out. You see it's kind of welded itself to the exhaust there, but what I'm gonna do is just take off this gasket and just go with the wire brush. Now spray the rust reformer or rust converter everywhere, because everything rusts where I live. Alright, this side is done. Now do exactly the same on the other side. Done on this side as well. This one had leftovers of the gasket here, so I had to kind of to chisel it out. When the new exhaust comes in, I'm just gonna weld that place. Hopefully I can do it, but here I can just use a nut and bolt. So this one goes to the front, this one goes to the back. Also, I bought regular 5/16 I believe bolts for this, and they are 1.5 inch long, so they should work. And you remember, I will weld to the third one, or attempt to weld to the third one. Let's see. So the gasket goes in like this. You kind of have to hold it in place, and then the exhaust goes in. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I put a gasket there. It's not torqued yet. Kind of on this side it wants to rotate a little bit, but it's okay. On this side it's definitely not seated, so I'll have to play with this. So I kind of welded this one like this. I'm sure this is not the best weld in the world, but it should hold, hopefully. Alright, so this is how it looks like on the back side. I kind of tighten it until I've seen these start to bend a little bit, like the gap here is smaller than here. There is the gasket there. I tighten it. I'm gonna repeat, these are the 1.5 inch long 5/16 bolts from Home Depot. You can get the stainless steel ones, and it's much better if things rust in your area. But I'm gonna just spray them one more time with the rust reformer and like the area here that they scraped. Yeah, this one was okay. Now this is routed the same way. This is a flex pipe, and on this side I also tightened it. I can also I can tighten it more when need be, but this is a stainless steel bolt. I then found that they have stainless steel bolts, so I bought one stainless steel bolt, and this is my welded piece, so hopefully it doesn't leak anywhere. Again, this bracket doesn't do anything. There's nowhere to mount it unless there were some mounts here. I just need to double check this for this model. Maybe there was and somebody took it off. I don't know. But it doesn't need a mount. I don't think it needs a mount. It also has a mount here for the exhaust, but it's not used again. So I don't know. Maybe I should be using them. I'll need to research a little bit. Alright, so if it's still too loose or it kind of starts to wiggle out, I can always tighten it more later. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.